as a citizen of India, am demanding the resignation of all three. All three are Dharmendra Pradhan. Give me 30 seconds. All three: Bangarappa, Dharmendra Pradhan, and Harjot Singh. Now I ask, go around the politicians, go around the spokespersons. Are they also demanding the resignation of all three? The logic is very simple.
Oh, yeah, I do.
Three people.
I do.
Where did
I demand the resignation of...
Vijay, 1 second. Tell me one bite where you've demanded the resignation of Bangarappa. I will change my name. Tell me, Vijeta. Is there? आप party में नहीं हो ना, बोल सकते.
You want me to answer?
Yes.
See, CJP, as we know, it started as a very organic movement because of the insensitive remark of CGI. And just then the NEET paper leak happened. So this issue was taken up because when CJP was formed, that time it was not clear that which issue will be taken up by it. So it just happened that NEET paper leak happened and all of that. So
I asked you a simple question. No, the answer is no, right?
Even in
and Harjot Singh ka resignation
in another interview yesterday.
So the fact of the matter is, all the AAP leaders were coming to the Jantar Mantar when he was in charge there, part of the thing. He didn't tell Kejriwal, भाई आपका हरजोत सिंह मिनिस्टर है, उसने भी वही किया है जो धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने किया है, उससे क्यों नहीं कह रहे? He didn't say that. कांग्रेस के लीडर्स आए मिलने, he didn't tell them कि Bangarappa has done exactly the same thing. Now it's a simple question. 3 people commit murders. If you ask only one person to be hanged, then the problem is not with them. The problem is with you.
According to the logical fallacy of whataboutism.
अच्छा, अब whataboutism पे आ गए आप. Of course. 3 लोगों ने मर्डर किया, एक का क्यों मांग रहे हो यार?
No,
एक को फांसी क्यों मांग रहे हो?
I'm already saying.
Are the students of Karnataka children of lesser gods? Okay. आंसू क्यों नहीं बाहर? Let me ask this gentleman a simple question. Who is K. Radhakrishnan?
No, you tell me. Go ahead.
So he is fighting for students' protests, students' rights, NEET. He doesn't know the chairman of the committee, Radhakrishnan committee, that was constituted to look into NEET reforms. ये हैं आज के नेता.
Listen.
All of you pay attention. Now be quiet. Listen. The problem is that in some states there are children who are not cared for by the same people, and the paper leaks, the OSM Ghapla, the beatings of teachers and students happened much before Pradhan came into the bullseye. Problem is why no action was taken against those education. आप बोल रहे हो कि कल से जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बंगारप्पा का नाम भी नहीं पता था इनको. इसको तो राधाकृष्णन का नाम नहीं पता. One more young person here. Don't interrupt. यार, you are not a politician yet. रुक जाओ, सुन जाओ. The problem is not कि कोई लोग नाच गाना करते हैं, बर्गर खाते हैं. Problem is राधाकृष्णन का नाम नहीं पता है. ये कैसे लड़ रहे हैं मुद्दों के लिए यार?